How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to WordForge. My name's Kevin. So, I already did an unboxing today of the Free Write Traveler. My remarkable Paper Pro is going to arrive in the mail, to which it did. So, let's unbox it. The only thing I've done is I've cut the seal of the tape to make it easier to open. The remarkable Paper Pro. This is the Type-folio. Basically the keyboard. I guess we'll open the Type-folio box first. There we go. That was more successful. So this is the Type-folio. I believe the keyboard is somewhere. Oh, there it is. I was like, where is this thing? This feels really like it's not meant to go this way. Oh wait, there's this. Nope, not a clue. Anyway, I'll fiddle with that off screen. And then we have the actual remarkable. Looks like we have a paper tape. The inaccuracy of something that isn't a knife. Alrighty. Alright. We have these two items. Now when I got the Remarkable 2, and when the Remarkable 2 came out, because I got it quite some time after it came out, the marker, the basic marker, was sold separately. Apparently they've changed that to where the basic model now comes with the device, which makes logical sense. Oh, this is another weird tear. I don't know. That seems kind of ridiculous, but whatever. Maybe the cardboard's really cheap in case the customer has to return it. This is the basic pen. Got some weight, not wetness. I can definitely feel it. It's definitely got a plastic feel to it. I can't compare it to the original basic pen, but I have heard that they do feel different. Like this feels lesser quality than the basic pen that came with the Remarkable 2. These are probably tips. Setting those aside. Oh, another. I don't want to jinx myself, but hopefully my cats don't come to say hello. There we go. Alright, so here is the Remarkable Paper Pro. I just tore that. Oh well, right? Better paper, better thinking. Let's readjust some stuff. Let's see. So this is a USB cable and some instructions. Let's see if it will hold the power button to turn on. It is starting per the instructions right there. Better paper, better thinking. Get ready. You'll need a smartphone or computer to complete the setup. So yeah, this requires a setup, so I'll pause the recording here. Okay, so I've gone through the setup, attaching it to my already existing account. This is where we are at. It's been updated with software. Convert to notebook, import Word files, convert notes and sketches with the help of AI and post them as a web note. You can, of course, they got to dabble in the AI garbage. That doesn't surprise me. You can create a link, new method templates, change to tags. So tags apparently in this version is what you need to be using in order to search for anything, which seems kind of stupid because I don't see why there wouldn't be tags and searching for the title of whatever the document is. I don't know. It seems kind of dumb if you ask me, but you know, I'll try it and see how it works. Other improvements. Beyond that, nothing too crazy here. And these are all, oh, hey, it still has all, that's cool. I kind of figured it would do that. It has like all of my old stuff. PDF. Well, most of my old stuff. There's two folders here. There should only really be one. Oh, it even has my ghetto drawings for a novel idea that I was working on. Cloud limit reached. Without connect, document stops syncing after 50 days of inactivity. Reactivate cloud storage. Okay, I'll deal with that later-ish. Okay. I've heard there are issues with the colors. It kind of causes a refresh rate to be really kind of ridiculous. It's also not true black. It's more of a really dark blue. And that's because of the type of screen they're using. I'm not very big on the tech thing. I'm just here to use it mostly as a typewriter. Maybe some note taking, as we can see right here. This is the Remarkable 2. I'm not sure if I will be able to figure out the keyboard thing. Oh. Now we have the keyboard. Okay, that was actually a lot simpler once I put the tablet in it. Keyboard just to keep you focused, which is the style of key combinations. Oh, control, that's fine. Start typing without distractions. The original had kind of like full space, so there was a bunch of empty space down here. Check this out. We'll see. One of my criticisms is this bar I could see being distracted. I don't know why. I'm not sure if theirs is where they're keeping a battery or something to that nature. I feel like, screen-wise, it should just go, especially if we're doing this kind of laptop-like view, this, unless it had something here, like it acted as another screen inside here, like the status bar of the free write. Other than that, I'll give you my full thoughts and opinions when we're all said and done. And it looks like I will actually be able to type from here as well, and people will be able to see what I'm typing, so that is cool. Anyway, this was the unboxing of the Remarkable Paper Pro, almost said Remarkable 2, and its Type-folio, which is different than the first version. Like the first Type-folio cannot work on this and vice versa, at least vice versa to my knowledge. I'm pretty confident it won't. I think it connects differently too than the first one, or it might be similar, just in a different spot. I don't really know. It's irrelevant to you and me at this moment in time. Anyway, I will be coming back later on, not anytime soon, probably a week or two, for both of my new devices on my first impressions.